dedication to a sustained partnership and mutual learning in the spirit of Salaknib 2026.
We affirm our collective commitment to readiness, partnership, and defense of our nations, as what General Lloyd was mentioned a while ago. Salaknib has long stood as a cornerstone of cooperation, where our forces train side by side, build trust through shared experience, and transform partnerships into operational capability. I think this is in its third year running, isn't it? As mentioned earlier by General Lloyd. Over the past 3 years, it has evolved from a bilateral engagement into a truly multilateral undertaking, now joined by Japan. I was looking for our Australian counter because they are also part of this one, but they are not around. Nations bound by a shared vision of secure and stable Indo-Pacific. As we formally open this exercise, we not only continue the strong tradition between the Philippine Army and the United States Army Pacific, but also affirm the growing strength of our collective partnership committed to regional peace, stability, and rules-based international order. This year, Salaknib brings together more than 7,000 troops, a powerful demonstration of unity and shared purpose. More importantly, it represents a convergence of capabilities, experience, and resolve aimed at enhancing our collective defense readiness.
No, escucho una